Hey everyone, welcome back to our Python series. In the previous video, we learned about the return statement and how functions send values back to the caller. Now let's move to another very important concept in function, variable scope. Today's video is all about local variables. We'll understand what local variables are, where they can be used, and what happens if we try to access them outside a function. And we'll also write practical programs. So let's get started. So, what is a variable scope? Before understanding local variables, let's first understand the meaning of scope. The scope of a variable refers to the area or region of a program where that variable can be accessed or used. In simple words, scope tells us where a variable is visible in the program. There are mainly two types of variable scope in Python: local scope, global scope. In today's video, we'll focus on the local scope. So, what is a local variable? A local variable is a variable that is created inside a function. It can only be accessed within that function. That means once the function finishes execution, the local variable is no longer available. Let us understand with the help of one example. Here, message is created inside the greet function. Since it is declared inside the function, it is called a local variable. The function can access and print it without any problem. Let's move to another example. num1 and num2 are both local variables. They are created when the function starts executing and are used to calculate the sum. Let's write a practical example to calculate the area of a rectangle. In this program, length, breadth, and area are all local variables because they are created inside the function. These variables exist only while the rectangle function is running. Now let's see what happens if we try to use a local variable outside its function. Name error. Name length is not defined. Why? Because the variable length was created inside the function. Outside the function, Python doesn't know anything about it. A local variable is visible only inside the function where it is declared. It is created when the function is called and it automatically gets destroyed when the function finishes execution. So that's all for today's video. We learned what local variables are, why they are called local, where they can be used, and why they cannot be accessed outside a function. In the next video, we'll learn about global variables in Python. You'll see how variables created outside a function behave differently and how they can be accessed throughout a program. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon so you don't miss the next lesson in our Python function series. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy coding!